on Facebook, you don't know say Andrew Trabass on Trabass TV. Today I really want to tell you one thing I really like about girl. One little thing, one. Girl have some nasty attitude about them I not like. Their mood swing. When you ever change how you feel like them something there. Like when we either tell you something and then when you not tell you something we tell you no say no circle. When you want to get mad pan we. And I cuss and I call this girl the other day, is it? No, I'm not even gonna tell you a story. Yo, just watch a little video clip, right? I'll explain everything.
Hello.
Baby.
Oh, hey, baby.
Something, this thing been going through my mind all day. I'm sleep with a friend and my feelings say it just gone. So I think we should break up.
What do you mean you're breaking up with me? I gave you the best years of my life.
Baby, don't cry. Please don't cry.
How could you do this? This is me.
Please.
Don't show me that. Don't show me that.
Them thing them not like about girl. Why you can't just boy I'm wishing you read mine still. Cause more time I want to say some things to just you know. If the country where we never had live in right now man. I say me just take me and just give her, you know, just me not hurt her still, I just want you see just alright.
11 points to bring you.